We're introducing our Midpour measure bucket system. This is the most usable 5-gallon measuring bucket system on the market. Normally, when using measuring buckets, you need to pour your chemical into a bucket first, level the bucket on the floor, and measure after the pour. We created a patented line system that allows you to measure as you pour your chemical into your second bucket. After you've poured your chemical, you can also use the horizontal lines on bucket 2 to double-check your measurement. Let's highlight some key features. First, let's go over our vertical bar measurements that you'll find on the left and right side of the front of our buckets. On the left side, we have gallons. These will start at 1 gallon and end at 3.5 and have markings at every quarter gallon. On the right side, we have liters that start and end at 3 and 13 and marks for every half liter. Next up, we have our dotted horizontal lines that go all around the bucket marked from 1 gallon to 3 gallons in half-gallon increments. After that, we have our QR code for usage instructions and a bucket diagram that shows other water level measurements that aren't included in the printed lines. After that, we'll move on to our red and blue curved pouring lines. These are the lines you will use to measure as you pour your chemical in the bucket. Red lines are for pouring with the lid off, and blue lines are for pouring with the lid and spout on. You'll see on each line there will be text that lets you know how many gallons are still in your pouring bucket and how many gallons have been poured out as well. Finally, we have our pouring handle. We included this feature for ease of use and because it's very important to be able to hold this bucket level as you pour. Now that we've gone over everything on this bucket system, let's give you a real-life example on how to use this. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the bucket with the lid on. If you're pouring chemicals with the lid on, it's very important to make sure you line up the spout with the red arrow on the bucket. I'm going to make sure my bucket on the floor is level. You want to make sure you're holding your bucket with the handle we designed to ensure the bucket is level as you pour for correct measurement. Now I'm going to continuously pour more and more liquid into the bucket and stop at every measurement. We have increments of measure every half gallon, and you'll be able to see how much is in your pouring bucket and how much liquid has been poured out of it as well. Since we have the lid on for this demonstration, we're going to be looking at the blue lines. First up, we have the 4.5 gallons in and 0.5 out line, followed by the 4 gallon in and 1 out line. Then the 3.5 in and 1.5 out, 3 in, 2 out, 2.5 in, 2.5 out, 2 in, 3 out, 1.5 in, 3.5 out, 1 in, 4 out, half gallon in, 4.5 out. Now that we've made and measured the whole pour, that concludes our demonstration for the Midpour measure bucket system. Keep in mind, when pouring with the lid off, you'll use the same exact steps, but you'll be using the red lines instead. I hope these instructions were helpful and we hope you enjoy using yours. Thanks for watching.